Hi, you guys. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Nehal, and if you're new to this channel, I would be really glad if you could just take out 2 seconds of your time and subscribe to my channel below. So, as you must have read by the title, I'm showcasing my bag collection here in this video. So, let's get started. The first bag right here is my everyday tote bag, and it is one of the most beautiful prints. I got this from Bapu Bazaar in Jaipur, and it basically is like a Jaipuri print sort of a situation. It is basically like a nice, beautiful orange color, and the market is filled with such bags. There were a lot of neutral tones and very bold tones as well, but this is something that I really loved, and I have added like a little keychain to it, which is very pretty. And yeah, it's very spacious. I use it daily. Like, when I step out of the house, I like to carry all my essentials, and this is just the perfect everyday tote bag. It basically is a quilted cotton bag, and I think it's just perfect. Now, talking about everyday tote bags, I also have this bag from Zook, which I got, I think, 3 or 4 years back. And the fact that it is still in just the perfect condition still surprises me. This was one of my first purchases from Zook, and I am not disappointed. इसमें मुझे थोड़ा सा space कम लगता है, obviously according to the things that I carry. But I think this is a perfect bag for everybody who goes to office. It also has a laptop compartment inside, so that makes it very convenient. But yeah, I have used this bag for the longest time. और कभी कभी मुझे यहाँ वहाँ जाना हो तो I still carry it. So yeah, that's my next bag. Then the next bag that I have here is this new purchase from Miragio. It is so beautiful, and trust me, ये दिखता होगा छोटा है, but it is not. It is so spacious. I literally carry everything in this. जब से मैंने वो orange वाला tote bag लिया है, तब से मैंने ये नहीं carry किया है, but I used to carry this to my office. This was so convenient, and I love the quality. It's so smooth, and the best thing is that कि ये खराब नहीं होता. As in, I feel that this is scratch resistant because I have tested it a couple of times, and it has passed it every single time. And I love the shape of the bag as well. It's so pretty, it's so sturdy, and I absolutely love it. Then the next bag I have here is this sling bag. I got it as a PR from this brand called The Gusto, and it's pretty spacious. इसमें there's no compartment. It just has a zipper inside it, and it's like this. I love the color of this bag, and apart from the color, I actually love the strap of the bag. I feel it's very convenient to carry something that has a broad strap. So yeah, this is my next bag. Now, talking about broad straps, the next bag is from Zara. I love this bag. And now that I feel and I'm looking at my bags, I think I have a lot of brown shaded bags. चाहे वो dark brown हो, चाहे वो light brown हो. But I think I have a lot of brown toned bags. And this bag from Zara right here also has a broad strap. It actually comes with another strap, which I have not opened yet क्योंकि मेरे को कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. But it also comes with a thin strap. And it has an attached wallet to it, which I feel is very convenient. It's not all that spacious for me, but I think this is a very nice design. And I think इसका एक दूसरा variant भी था, which is the semi circle वाला जो बहुत ज़्यादा viral हुआ था, and I actually saw like every second person wearing it. So when I went to Zara and I saw this, I knew I had to get this. मेरा मन दूसरे वाले पे था, but वो इतना ज़्यादा common हो गया था और ये इतना common नहीं था, so I picked this one. So the next bag I have is this one from H&M. This is a very beautiful yellow bag. Again, it's not all that spacious for me, but ये कभी-कभी मैं use कर लेती हूँ, and I really love the color, and this is very convenient to carry. I was literally obsessed with this at one point of time. I don't really use it anymore, and I can't register why. But yeah, now this is something that I'm definitely going to start to use again. So the next bag that I have here is again from Miragio. It is literally a statement bag. I mean, black goes with everything, especially black and gold. And I love how sturdy this bag is. I love the chain of this bag. It's so classy, and I really love this little detailing. Again, there was a point when I was literally obsessed with this bag. I actually got it as a birthday gift, and I really love the quality. Miragio really pulls it off with its quality. I love Miragio ki quality, and and their bags are definitely meant to last. Also, one thing about Mirajo that I really like is that they give their dust covers. This is something जो काफी brands नहीं करते हैं, but they're very thoughtful about it and they actually give it with them. So that's something that's very, very impressive. So the next one that I have is from Guess. It's a nice sling bag and I really love the color. I haven't actually used it as much, but I really love the silver, white, and pink detailing. It comes with a strap, a broad strap again, and it actually is pretty spacious. I remember I carried this in one of my trips. I'm sure you would also remember. Yeah, this is something I don't know why I don't use as much, but again, I'm really going to start using it. I'm really glad actually that I'm making this video क्योंकि जो मेरे पास bags है वो सारे निकल गए हैं अब. And now that I have everything in front of me, I think I'm going to use it more. So yeah, that's the one that I have. The next one that I have right here is again from Yes. This is something that I'm obsessed with, and I think I'll always be obsessed with. Is this beautiful sling bag? The best part about the sling bag is that it can be worn in 3 ways. And why I love this is because of its color. It's such a neutral and such a beautiful color that it goes with everything. And so I wear it in 3 ways. I wear it as it is, which is attaching 2 bags together and using it as a sling bag. I detach this because there's an option of detaching right here. So I detach this and I wear it as like just this mini bag. I also have an option of detaching this completely and wearing just this one as a sling bag except this. So that actually makes it 3 styles of wearing it, and I love this bag. I am clearly obsessed with this bag, and this is definitely one of the best purchases ever. So the next one is this bag from Michael Kors. I love this bag. Again, this is one of my most favorite bags. It's so spacious again. By this time, I think आपको figure out हो ही गया होगा that I always prefer spacious bags. मैं छोटे वाले bags बहुत कम use करती हूँ. जो अभी आगे आने वाले हैं, I know I'll be contradicting my statement, but this is something that I totally love. This is like the signature MK bag. And it has like 3 compartments. One is this. It has no zip. The other one is this. Again, it has no zip. And then there's this where there's a zip in the middle. So आपको जो भी अपने essentials रखने हैं या अपना wallet रखना है या कुछ भी valuable रखना है, so आप यहाँ बीच वाले में रख सकते हो. And the other two, you can use it like just छोटा मोटा सामान रखने के लिए. That's not too precious, of course, क्योंकि since it's open, it becomes very dangerous. So yeah, this is the one that I truly love and I use it pretty often. So we are left only with last two. And जैसे मैंने बोला था, I usually prefer spacious bags. और मैंने अभी just ये चीज बोली थी, then I'm going to be contradicting my statement when I show you guys my next 2 bags. So they are very tiny bags. One is this bag from Coach. I'm sure आपने मेरा Thailand haul देखा होगा, तो उसमें देखा होगा that I purchased it when I had gone to Thailand. And I am in love with this. This was on my wish list for the longest time, and I love how classy this is. It's like a mini handbag. So it has 2 compartments inside and it has one zipper compartment. So it's not all that spacious, but I think style मारने के लिए कभी-कभी कुछ चीज purchase कर सकते हैं. So this is that. And this is not just a handbag. It is also a sling bag. It comes with this sling, जो कि आप इसको लगा के you can wear it like a mini sling bag. So yeah, I really love this, and this is one of my most prized possessions. So coming to my last one, it's from Charles and Keith. It's like a wallet sling, and I love the color. The color is so in. It is a nice cherry red color, and no, it's not a wallet, it's a sling. I've put the sling inside Abhi. And I love how beautiful the sling is. It's so classy. It's so nice. I actually haven't worn it yet. I'm yet to inaugurate it. But I'm going to do that very soon. And I totally love the color. It's literally the color of the season. And this is of such a good material. I know that once I start using it, I'm going to be obsessed with it. Not right now because I've not used it yet, but only because of the texture and the feel. It's just too good. And this is what it looks like from inside. It has like a little cards area, then it has a zipper, and then it has like 2 compartments. So I think I'm going to make the best use out of it, and and I love it already. So yeah, this was my bags collection. Let me know in the comments below which one you like, and I really want to see what's your taste like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.